Hi and welcome back to another overview of 4R7. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm not going to do an ordinary tutorial. I'm just going to go over some new features that came with the 4R7, which are really great and they are really a game changer. So we're going to be creating this stuff. Some elevations, some holes, some beveled sides, some extruded shapes, flat areas. I'm going to show you how you can apply different actions to the different parts of this model. So let's get started. We're going to start with a cylinder 3D, which we are going to make a polymesh 3D out of it. And here below, under Initialize, we have now some more options. Let me just resize this, and I'm going to click on Q cylinder. I'm going to leave this as they are. As you can see, you can set the resolution of the newly created objects. Just play around with the settings and you will get a picture what they are for. So I'm just going to use Q cylinder on the X value, press F on the keyboard to frame it, and now first of all I'm going to delete this inner edge. So I'm going to go to press B, Z, M to select ZModeler current brush. This is a new brush in 4R7, game changer. And if you hover over a polygon or edge or a vertex, it's going to allow you to perform different actions which you set in a separate window. So just let me show you what I mean. I'm going to hover over this edge, and you can quickly access the new options by pressing space on the keyboard. But if you let go, you can also keep pressing it and moving around the mouse button, and it will still be shown. And if you let go the space bar, it's going to disappear. Another way to quickly access these same actions is by right clicking on the selected part of the object, and it's going to appear, and it's going to disappear when you move your mouse out of these window settings. Right click on it, insert is the default. These are the default values, and if you hold Alt, it's going to delete the loop. As you can see, as I pressed Alt, the minus is appearing aside at the center of the brush. So just delete this one, and now I'm going to add additional lines so I get a 12-sided cylinder. So again, I'm going to hover over an edge, right click on it, and the default values will give you single edge loop, I think is the default value, and wherever you click on this edge, it's going to create a new one. So if you click on it, it's going to create this one here, but if you click and press keep pressing the mouse button, you can move it around, which is really great if you want to create an edge near to this side or near to this side. So I'm going to undo that because I want to create an edge which is exactly in the center of this polygon. So I'm going to hover over this edge, right click on it, and select the target multi-edge loops, and I'm going to press here on the specified resolution and type in 1. This means it's going to create a new edge, exactly one new edge, and it's going to be exactly in the middle of this edge. So no matter where I click on this edge, it's going to create a new one exactly in the center, which is what I want. So now I'm just going to hold Control Shift and select these polygons, and under geometry I'm going to delete him. So now I'm going to right click on the polygon and select Spherize, and I'm going to select flat island, which means it's going to affect all the polygons which are on the flat area. Click on the polygon and move the mouse, and you can see we get a more circular looking object. Now the polygons are getting squished together. You can go in and right click on the polygon and click on Equalize flat island again, and press and move a couple of times, and you can see, whoops, just make sure you are hovering over the polygon before you click. It's trying to create more unified looking polygons, but I'm not going to. I just wanted to show you the Equalize command, and now I'm going to use QMesh and flat island again, and I'm just going to click and drag out. This is like an extrude in 2ds Max or Maya, and it created new polygons with new polygroups. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of this because I don't want to see this. So I just Control Shift and click on the areas that I don't want to see, and under geometry I'm going to delete him. Let me just apply a different polygroup color. I just press Control W on the keyboard to apply a different polygroup color to the polygons that are shown, and now hover over a polygon again and QMesh, QMesh, and let's say just polygroup island, which means it's going to, you could select all polygons for now because we want to deform all polygons. So you can create something like this by just pulling the polygons out. And before I do that, I'm just going to duplicate the subtool by Control Shift and D, or go here down to the duplicate, and going to hide this one and redo the shape that I wanted to show you. Now if I go down to this tool, you can see if I go in a different direction, I make an extrusion in a negative way, and the polygons are facing in the wrong direction now. As you can see here, we can fix this by hovering over a polygon, right click on it and select flip faces, and let's just flip all polygons. Just click on the polygon and it's going to flip the faces, the normals of all the faces, which is exactly what I wanted, because now if I turn on the other part, I created a part that is exactly the shape of the these are two separate parts, and they are perfectly aligning together. There is no overlapping of any vertices or anything, which is exactly what I wanted. So another way to create the same process is a little bit different, but just for the sake of showing you some other options that came with ZModeler brush, I'm just going to right click on it and QMesh, and let's say Polygon Island, and this time it's going to deform only the polygon that I hovered over and started to pull. And if you hold Shift, it's going to, you can see it's only moving the selected polygons, it's not really extruding them. Also, if you press Alt a couple of times, you can see it's applying a new polygroup color to the newly created polygons. And if you hold Control, it's going to just detach, not really detach, but just deform the polygons that you started on without creating the polygons that are connected with the rest of the model. So now all you have to do is hover over polygons again, flip faces, polygroup island, and click on this part, and then hover over polygroup and QMesh, polygroup island, and just pull out, and as you can see, it's going to snap exactly to the edges of the rest of the model. The snap is controlled with this normal attraction under modifiers. If you have no attraction, you can go over the edge, but you can see it creates an overlapping polygons, which is not what I'm looking for now. So another way is to click on weak attraction, which means you have to come closer to the edge before it snaps to it. And now we have one model, but we want to create this as a separate polygroup, as a separate subtool. So you could, let's say, Control Shift and click to select it, and but before we're going to do that, let me just duplicate this one and let's just redo the steps. QMesh, yeah. Hold Control. And flip faces, bam. You can see how quickly you can create something exactly in the shape you want to have it. So I just isolated this part, and under geometry I'm going to delete hidden under modify topology, and now under visibility I'm going to display properties, I'm going to click on double so I can see all the polygons, and I'm going to hover over the edge, and I'm going to bridge two holes with polygroup flat. These are the default values. Edge, so select two holes, you can select spline, whatever, and if you first you have to click on one part of the hole and then on the second part of the hole. You can see it created a bridge, it bridged the polygons all around, creating new polygroups and one edge. So you can set how much the resolution is going to be. So the minimum resolution is going to be as we saw just now. The optimal resolution will be, it's going to create new polygons, but they are going to be as square as they can be. And the interactive resolution, it means it's going to create a number of the resolution according to the movement of your mouse button while you click and drag, pressing the second part of the hole. So with the interactive resolution you have to be careful, because sometimes it gets really crazy, like here. If you move in the wrong direction, it's going to go inwards and maybe do something you like, but we're not looking for something like this now. So another thing I like is to have all in a separate polygroup, so I'm going to use polygroup flat. Bam, bam, and as you can see it's one polygroup, and I want to delete this, so I just selected insert and press Alt, and the newly created edge was deleted. So if you turn on the default ones, let me see, yep, we can see we just created another one that is exactly the same as this one, but in another way. So let me just go over, let's say, select this one, I'm going to create a new edge and right click on the edge and bevel. Bevel? Yeah, let's bevel. Bevel and select edge loop completed, which means it's going to bevel the whole loop, and partial, it's going to bevel only partial part, and polyloop means I don't know what, but let me see. Oh yeah, polyloop. It's going to bevel these parts of this edge. So edge loop completely, single row, which means it's going to create two new edges, and according to these settings you can see 8 for 2 rows. But let me just create these 2 rows, and as you can see it also created new polygons, polygroups. So this is how you bevel edges, and over polygon QMesh, single polygon, and I'm going to just pull out this one, and you can create exactly the same action with the separate on the next polygon you click on by just clicking on it, and it's going to create exactly the same object the same action that you performed before. This is how you can create some interesting shapes. So now we are going to look into how we can add an edge and extrude some parts. So let me just hide all the rest and hover over edge, insert, let's say single loop, and let's just add a loop. And now we are going to apply different polygroup to this polyloop. So you can go to polygroup and just click on all the polygons that you want to have set in a new polygroup. So then I'm just going to hover over one and QMesh and single poly, and let me just do this. And now, because it created a new polygroup for this extruded version, I can use polygroup all on these parts, and it's going to snap, which is exactly what I want, because you can easily create something like a barrel tip of a gun this way. So this is really a nice trick. The other thing I would like to show you is how you can let's say we want to extrude this one, these 3 parts. You can hold Alt and mask them, single under QMesh a single poly selected, because you masked all three of them, it's going to affect all the parts that you masked. Or it's better to say not really masked, but select. You showed the QMesh, you showed which polygons should be QMeshed. So now you can see these side edges are going outwards. It can be okay if you want this effect, but if you want the straight lines, you just QMesh one side and then again another one. And as you can see, because I have under QMesh single poly align 10 step selected, it allows me to make additional steps. Let me just show you. Half step would mean it's going, after it's going to snap, it's going to allow me to add additional step, just one. And if you have 10 steps selected or any other quarter steps, let's say, it's going to allow you to create 1, 2, 3 parts more. And as you can see, the edges are now pushing outwards, straight outwards, not like here. And for example, if I would like to have this flat, just for any reason, you can go hover over edge, right click on it and align, set here specified curvature to 0, and this should do it. Just select first edge, so you can see it says align edge strip, click first edge, and then click on the far edge. Come on. It obviously didn't understand what I was trying to type in, so come on. So you just have to select the first one and then the second one, and all the edges in between are going to be aligned according to the position of these selected edges. So this is also a nice trick to accomplish a flat area. And now I would like to show you something else. As you may remember, when we were creating these extrusions, we just clicked on the polygons and it reapply the same action that was applied before. So I'm going to do something similar now. I'm just going to insert a single row in the middle of all these edges. And now I'm going to hover over vertex and right click on it and split and select do not crease, because if you crease ring, you can see it created a crease around the newly created shape, but I don't want that, because you can always go back, apply creases afterwards. So now I created a circular look, and I'm just going to apply all of the rest of this vertex just by clicking on them, and it created the same exactly the same shape as the original one. So now that I have done that, I'm just going to hover over this part and QMesh and polygroup all, and I'm just going to push them inwards, and because I have all polygons selected, polygroup all selected, it moved all the polygroups that I just created. And because I used QMesh and I had the same shape on both sides, they snapped together, which quickly created some interesting shape, as you can see here. So now I would like to show you how you can bevel an edge, and let me just hover over this edge, right click on it, bevel it, and you have some additional actions below, but we're going to use the default ones, and we're just going to bevel this one. And let's say we want to create a more smooth look of this part, so we're going to right click on this edge again and insert, and make sure you have multi-edge loops, interactive resolution and interactive elevation selected. This means when we click and keep pressing the mouse button and just move the mouse around, so you can see in which direction it's going to apply a new edge and in which direction it's going to make an elevation. So then just make the shape that you want to have. So maybe we just need to use it the same polygroup. But you can also go in and exactly specify how much of the elevation and how much of how many specified steps you want to have. Let's say we want to have 3 and elevation 10, and it's going to let me see, 3 and let's just click on it, and as you can see it created 3 edges, and it elevated them by the value of 10. And you can easily create some interesting shapes with these set values, but as you can see you have no really control, dynamic control while creating them. So I just maybe prefer the first one, where you create this elevation by just dragging the mouse button. So as you can see, ZModeler brush can really make it easy for you to create some different shapes that would be practically impossible to be done in ZBrush before 4R7 version, in such a clean way, in such a short time. So I would say I'm really impressed with all the features that I recently discovered. I know there are a lot more, and I'm going to probably make some more videos afterwards, but for the first part this is going to be it. So I hope you enjoyed, and till next time, bye.